Hi, this is my attempt to make chicken adobo in the solar oven. So I have 4 drumsticks, half a medium onion chopped, about 5 cloves of garlic, 10 peppercorns, and some bay leaves. And now I'm going to add like a 1/3 cup of apple cider vinegar, a little over 1/2 cup of soy sauce. According to all the solar cookbooks I've read, you don't need as much water as you typically put in for a dish, but this is chicken adobo, so normally I would put enough to cover the chicken, so maybe I'll just put half. We'll see. I don't know if that's going to be good. Here we are in the sunniest part of my yard, and the oven is at, it's not even hot yet. And it's about 140, something like that. And we'll see how it goes. Let's check it out before it though. I added some pepper. And I don't know. I've cooked chicken adobo before in a slow cooker, and it pretty much sucked. So, alright, we'll come back later and check. Okay, here it is with the lid. You have to put the lid on. I actually have to secure some clips. There's about 6 clips so that the lid doesn't blow off and any animals don't try to get at it. You're supposed to face it towards the sun and then turn it clockwise, 15 degrees. What time is it, honey? It's 7:30. I forgot about the solar oven, and it's probably been in the shade for a few hours. So let's see what the temperature is. Yeah, temperature not looking too good. Definitely less than 100 degrees. Maybe like 30. Okay, I removed the lid, and it smells like something's been cooking in there. The lid of the solar oven. And it's pretty warm. Okay, let's see what's in here. If it looks cooked. It's pretty cooked. Okay, well I cut into the chicken and it doesn't appear to be pink. On this video it looks pink, but in person it doesn't. Wow. So it actually cooked. And it's still hot. Alright, here we are with rice. Alright, so we gotta try it. And here we have the perfect utensil. And let's see what it tastes like. You know you have to eat with a spoon if you're Filipino. It tastes like regular food. Alright. Well, thanks for listening. Bye. Have a good day.